Good morning, everybody. I've been working on the birdcage, and here's my crafting buddy here, Penelope. Yes, she is my ESA, my ESA. She's being super sweet right now. Sneak peek into my life. Anyway, I have been working on the birdcage, and okay, that's enough. Stop. Nope. Let Mama's hand go. You need to stop. And I mean, I was working, so I could have. This is a project that can be done in a day. I just have 2 jobs, so I don't have a lot of extra time. But in my spare time, I do like to spend it crafting and staying busy, and I just like to be distracted. She's mad. She's mad. Okay, so I'm going to show you how far I've gotten. I only have about 75 pages left. I'm so excited. So I'm going to have to run to the Dollar Tree this morning. Oh, no, wait. I have a doctor's appointment. Well, I'm going to run to the Dollar Tree at some point in the next 2 days and buy the ribbon that I need and maybe some other embellishments. And then that part I will record. So here's what I have done so far. This is what I still have left to do. This is what it looks like at the top. So all the binding is now in a circle, exactly what we want. And it's nice and full. So I'll be putting my ribbon around the edge like this on the top and the bottom, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Thank you, Midnight Crafter, for this idea. I will tag her in my final video so she can see what I did as well. All right, you guys, take care. God bless, and rejoice in the day God has given you.